and configuration management. Configuration gives you a lot of power, but you have to manage it properly. People. So this is where you can set your roles and permissions. And obviously that's one of the most important things. And it's very granular here. We've got a bunch of users here, have the administrator role. It comes with a bunch of roles that are predetermined or pre-configured, anonymous, authenticated, editor, ingester, repository, site, and administrator. These are generally the ones. But if you wanted to add a role, for example, of just somebody who was maybe just going to come in for the summer and review metadata, you could create a role for them and you could limit what their permissions are. You can limit what they're all through here. You can adjust it. And see, there's this tree structure here in which you can go. It's not really a tree structure, but all of these options here, and then you can create your own role and you can assign that to an individual. Reports. This is, we already showed one here where the migration reports are available. So fixity. So you want to check on your objects and you want to run fixity. There's actions down here where you can perform a check manually. You can delete a check that's coming up. You can disable periodic, enable periodic checks, and you can apply them to the selected items. And so you can control, it's very granular, you can control how often and when a fixity check is run. Again, report all field permissions. We already showed the migration report. And under configuration, there's a lot in here. So here's where, if you wanted to make changes to your, again, we would set that up with you. And then out of the box, it's a site configuration, but it can also be configured to collections. Embargo,